Hey y'all, I'm on page 4 in your NBT.5 to NBT.7 book. If you would join me there. Today we're going to talk about a multiplication strategy called Lattice. You may have been introduced to this strategy before, but I want to show it to you again. So what we have here we have graph paper. So what they have done is they have taken a sheet of graph paper and they have cut the graphs they've cut the boxes into two and created a lattice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your number that's on top here, 453. So we need 3 boxes across. Then we're gonna need 2 boxes down for 48. So what we are going to do, you split the boxes, and I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few minutes. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to match up. So I'm going to take 3 times 4, put 1, 2, 12, okay? Then I have 8 times 3, 2, 4 for 24, okay? Then I have 5 times 4, which is 20, 2, 0. Then I have 5 times 8, which is 40, 4, 0, okay? 4 times 4 is 16, 1, 6. Then you have 8 times 4, which is 32, 3, 2. Okay, so your tens number goes on the top, your ones number goes on the bottom. So now that you have all of your numbers, what you're going to do is you're going to add just like it's a regular multiplication problem, how we add at the end. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 4 plus nothing is 4. Then 2 plus 2 gives you 4. Then 1 plus 4 plus 2 gives you 7. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 3 more is 11. So we put our 1 here, and that's where you get that 1 up here. That's our 1 that's carried. Then 1 and 1 is 2. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of other steps that I add in when I do it here in just a minute, because I'm going to show you. Again, you can reference page 4 for multiplication lattice strategy. I have one right here that we are going to go over right now. So here is my lattice multiplication sheet. So I know when I'm doing lattice multiplication that I need to have my 3 numbers at the top. So I'm going to put 328, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my box here. And then down the side, I'm gonna go ahead and put 17 down the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my 1 and 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my boxes in, okay? So then here, I'm going to take my first box, go all the way across. I'm going to go here, draw across, and all the way out, so that I'm making those lines all the way out, okay? Now, we're going to go back to our strategy. We're going to do the multiplication. Remember, we're doing this box first. 8 times 1 is 8. I have no number in the tens place, so I'm going to write 0, 8. Okay, then I'm going to do 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. So I'm going to put 5, 6 in my box. Okay. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to make it a little bigger. All right. Then I'm going to take 2 times 1. Well, 2 times 1 is 2. So I have 0 tens, 2 ones. Then I'm going to take 2 times 7, 14. Okay, then I have 3 times 1, which is 3. So I'm going to put my 0 on the top, then 3. Then I do 7 times 3, which gives me 21. Okay, now what I do, boys and girls, I mark this part out because I don't want to accidentally add a wrong number. So I'm going to bring down my 6. I know that 4 and 5 is 9. Plus 8 is 17, so I'm going to put a 7, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, okay? Then I'll do 3 plus 2, which gives me 5. Okay, and then 0 plus 0 gives me 0. So then my answer is going to be 5,576. So 5,576 would be my answer. And I think I forgot to tell you this last time. Boys and girls, your answer right here is on the outside. Okay, let's try another one. All right, now I've got a thousands number in this one. So we're going to go ahead and write our number. 4,212, and then I'm going to write 47 over here. So now we're going to go ahead and put our box in. All right, we're going to start by drawing our diagonals. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do our multiplying. 2 times 4 is 8, so I'm going to write 0, 8. 2 times 7, 14. 1, 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 0, 4 is what we're going to write. Then I have 7 times 1 is 7, so that's going to give me 0, 7. Then 4 times 2 is 8. 0, 8. 2 times 7 is 14. 1, 4. Then I'm going 4 times 4, which is 16. And then 7 times 4, which is 2, 8. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add on our diagonal. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 and 1 is 9. Plus 7 is 16. So I'm going to put my 6. I'm going to carry my 1 up there. 1 and 4 is 5. Plus 4 more is 9. Then I have 8 and 8, I know is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Carry my 1 up here. 1 and 6 is 7. 2 more, 8, 9. And then I have my 1. So then my answer would be 197,000. So 197,964.